Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You must act now. Inspect the steel utensil closely for thin edges, hollow handles, or decorative gaps that concentrate microwaves. Remove any unsafe pieces. Next, place a microwave-safe ceramic or glass plate beneath the utensil to create a buffer and reduce direct field concentration. Then set your microwave to 50% power or a defrost setting and begin with short 10 to 20-second bursts. This prevents rapid heating and lets you observe any early issues without damage. Once done with the initial setup, continue carefully. Place the steel utensil so it stays at least 1 to 2 cm away from the oven walls and turntable rim because proximity increases the risk of arcing. Use low power and repeat short intervals, checking between bursts for any sparks or unexpected heating. Make sure you do not wrap metal in foil unless following a tested method. Instead, reserve steel for specific tasks, such as brief crisping or shielding, where you understand the electromagnetic. To finish, run the final short cycle on low power and then let the steel utensil cool outside the microwave before you touch it, because metal stores heat differently than food. Once cooled, use a probe to check food temperature in multiple spots to ensure even heating and safety. If you see arcing at any point, stop immediately, unplug the unit if safe, let everything cool. Then remove the metal and reassess your method. This single troubleshooting step prevents damage and keeps you safe.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.